An eco-tour to the pristine and uninhabited Capers Island for all ages is a top hit trip here at Barrier Island Eco Tours. Capers Island offers some of the most spectacular scenes along our coast, thanks to its striking boneyard beach. The end of the last ice age initiated its formation, with rising sea levels from melting glaciers. This higher water inundated the coastlines, leading to significant sediment deposits in these areas, which would eventually build up into these barrier islands that we see today. On a daily basis, sand is moved by water and wind, causing endless change to these masses as they erode and migrate landward by storms, waves, rising ocean, and longshore drift, which is the lateral movement of sediment as it drifts with currents generally parallel to the coast. As the ocean encroaches on the maritime forest, it kills the beachfront trees and the sun and salt bleach the trunks, hence the name boneyard. Video clips cannot accurately represent this place's beauty. The only way to truly experience its wonder is by seeing it for yourself. Give us a call or visit our website to plan your adventure. Hope to see you soon.